The North Coast region of Oregon, with beautiful beaches, dense rainforests, and massive rock cliffs. Here, the Columbia River and coastal streams pour directly into the ocean. This is the beginning of the salmon and steelhead migration. For centuries, salmon have symbolized the Pacific Northwest. Unfortunately, many salmon species are threatened. Change is necessary, but it will take time. In this region, voluntary actions of private citizens and landowners work in partnership with federal, state, and local groups to remove fish barriers, restore estuaries, and return water back to our rivers. On the North Coast, the restoration efforts include the removal of tide gates and dikes, opening up fish passages between the ocean, estuaries, and coastal rivers. Once the areas are restored, they are quickly occupied by young salmon and other wildlife. There is still a lot of work to be done. Watershed councils, scientists, and engineers are looking into new ways to balance the needs of people with the viability of our salmon. When we work together to care for our watersheds, all of Oregon's inhabitants benefit, including people.